Cruiser. Cruiser motorcycles are designed for relaxed riding and comfortable travel. They became popular through American motorcycle culture and are known for their low seat height, long wheelbase, and laid-back riding position. Riders usually sit with their feet stretched forward, making long journeys more comfortable. Their distinctive appearance and strong road presence have made cruisers one of the most recognizable motorcycle styles in the world. Sport bike. Sport bikes are built for speed, handling, and performance. Their design comes from racing motorcycles, and many features are inspired by machines used on professional racetracks. Riders lean forward into an aerodynamic position that helps reduce wind resistance. Lightweight construction, powerful engines, and sharp cornering ability make sport bikes popular among enthusiasts who enjoy fast and responsive riding. Touring motorcycle. Touring motorcycles are made for covering long distances with maximum comfort. These bikes often include large windshields, spacious seats, storage compartments, and advanced electronics. They became increasingly popular as motorcycle travel grew during the 20th century. Riders can spend many hours on a road with less fatigue, making touring motorcycles ideal for cross-country adventures. Sport touring motorcycle. Sport touring motorcycles combine the comfort of touring bikes with some of the performance characteristics of sport bikes. Manufacturers created this category for riders who wanted versatility rather than specialization. These motorcycles can handle long highway journeys while still offering enjoyable cornering and strong acceleration. As a result, they appeal to people who use one motorcycle for many different purposes. Standard motorcycle. Standard motorcycles are often considered the most balanced and versatile type. They usually feature an upright seating position and simple design without extreme styling. Because they are easy to ride and adaptable to many situations, standards have remained popular for decades. Many beginner riders start with this type, although experienced riders also appreciate their practicality. Naked bike. Naked bikes evolved from sport bikes but remove much of the bodywork that normally covers the engine and frame. This creates a more exposed mechanical appearance while maintaining strong performance. The riding position is generally more comfortable than that of a full sport bike. Their combination of power, style, and everyday usability has helped them become one of the fastest-growing motorcycle categories. Adventure motorcycle. Adventure motorcycles are designed for both paved roads and rough terrain. They emerge from long-distance rally competitions where riders cross deserts, mountains, and remote regions. These bikes typically have tall suspension, upright ergonomics, and large fuel tanks. Their ability to travel almost anywhere makes them popular among riders who enjoy exploration and outdoor travel. Dual sport motorcycle. Dual sport motorcycles are street-legal bikes that can also be used off-road. They combine features from dirt bikes and road motorcycles. Lightweight construction and durable suspension help them handle trails, while lights and road equipment allow legal highway use. Many riders choose dual sport motorcycles because they offer flexibility without requiring multiple vehicles. Dirt bike. Dirt bikes are built specifically for off-road riding. They are lightweight, narrow, and equipped with long trail suspension that absorbs bumps and jumps. Originating from off-road racing and recreational trail riding, dirt bikes are commonly used on tracks, forests, and rugged landscapes. Their design prioritizes control and maneuverability rather than highway comfort. Motocross bike. Motocross bikes are a specialized form of dirt bike created for motocross racing. Every aspect of their design focuses on speed, jumping ability, and quick handling on closed dirt circuits. They're usually lighter and more aggressive than general-purpose off-road motorcycles. Competitive riders rely on them to navigate challenging tracks filled with jumps, turns, and obstacles. Scooter. Scooters are among the most practical forms of motorcycle transportation. They typically feature a step-through frame, automatic transmission, and storage space beneath the seat. Their popularity grew rapidly in crowded cities where maneuverability and fuel efficiency are important. Many people use scooters for commuting because they are simple to operate and economical to own. Cafe racer. Cafe racers originated in Britain during the 1950s and 1960s. Young riders modified motorcycles to make them faster and lighter, often racing between roadside cafes. These motorcycles usually feature a minimalist appearance, low handlebars, and a sporty riding position. Today, cafe racers remain popular for their classic style and connection to motorcycle history. Bobbers emerged when riders began removing unnecessary parts from motorcycles to reduce weight and create a cleaner appearance. The result is a stripped-down machine with a simple, custom look. Bobbers often feature shortened fenders, solo seats, and minimalist designs. Their appeal comes from individuality and traditional motorcycle craftsmanship. Choppers became famous through custom motorcycle culture, particularly in the United States during the 1960s and 1970s. Builders extensively modify the frame, front fork, and styling to create unique machines. Long front ends and dramatic shapes are common features. More than anything else, choppers represent personal expression and custom design. Electric motorcycles use battery-powered electric motors instead of traditional gasoline engines. Advances in battery technology have helped to become increasingly practical for daily use. They provide instant torque, quiet operation, and lower maintenance requirements. As transportation technology continues to evolve, electric motorcycles are becoming an important part of the motorcycle industry.